Hi guys, this is Tridip and you are watching a brand new episode of Learn with Tridip. In this episode, I will take you through a wonderful journey where I will show you how to create realistic watercolor with Procreate and some wonderful realistic watercolor brushes. Hope you will like the session, and if you really find this important and entertaining, kindly like, share and comment on this video. And if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications of our upcoming updates. So without much ado, let's get started. So that's all folks, see you in the next video. If you really liked this video, kindly like, share and comment on the video, and if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications of our upcoming update. Till we meet again, goodbye and God bless.